Today we'll solve a logarithmic differentiation problem step by step. We are given 3 raised to the power y equals x to the power 6. So we start by taking natural log on both sides. Using log rules, the equation becomes y times ln 3 equals 6 ln x. Now we differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get ln 3 multiplied by dx equals 6 over x. Now isolate by dx. Final answer. By dx equals 6 divided by x ln 3. The derivative of 3 caret y equals x caret 6 is 6 over x ln 3. We are given a raised to the power x equals x raised to the power y. First, take natural log on both sides. This becomes x ln a equals y ln x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get ln a equals ln x times by dx plus y over x. Rearranging, ln x times by dx equals ln a minus y over x. Final answer. By dx equals ln a minus y over x, divided by ln x. The derivative of a caret x equals x caret y is ln a y, x, ln x. We are given y raised to the power x equals 16. First, take natural log on both sides. This becomes x times ln y equals ln 16. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get ln y plus x over y times by dx equals 0. Rearranging, by dx equals negative y ln y over x. Final answer. By dx equals minus y ln y divided by x. The derivative of y caret x equals 16 is y ln y, x.